Here we go, it's running. Okay, Eric's out here doing stupid shit. With power tools. Okay, so here's the situation.
Alright, fine.
He's trying to sand this bottle. It's going to spin. Wait, let me...
I'm just making streaks on it.
Why? No! Don't start it up. What happened to it flying off?
Oh, well, you want me to do fine?
No. That's okay. I'm getting stupid shit.
Not quite as well as I'd hoped, but yeah.
Okay, your hands. And is it rolling at all?
It's a little bit, yeah. It's a tight balance between, if you push it this way, it doesn't roll at all. Push it from the top, it just spits out. So, yeah, you gotta kind of. Like that.